Calendly is a free scheduling software that allows you to run your business and your life as opposed to running a calendar. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. As you can see, we're here on the landing page. If we scroll down, we can see that Calendly is trusted by over 100,000 professionals. It essentially acts as a free scheduling software where you can send any potential members of your network in order for them to book a meeting with you. Now, I think this is a super useful tool. As you can see, people like startup founders, HR recruiters and consultants such as myself can find this tool very useful. So I'm going to dive right into it, and I'm actually going to show you my portal here. I've just signed up and I've already connected my Apple Calendar as well as my Google Calendar as well. So what you can do is you can of course set your availability and share your calendar ID with the people around you, so they can essentially book meetings with you in a much more efficient way. You can add your availability here as well, and you can see any sort of bookings you've got. You can also see any sort of apps you've got integrated and connected. As I said, I've got my Apple Calendar connected, and I've also got my Google Calendar connected as well. But they support all of these integrations that you can see here. And you can also create workflows as well, which I think is very, very interesting, especially because, creating and thinking in terms of workflows is only going to increase in terms of importance as time goes on. And cool. Yeah, you've also got this insights page as well, which can give you some interesting information about the nature of how people are booking meetings with you.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
So yeah, definitely check this out. And I also don't want to forget to mention that you can actually get a whole year of Calendly Pro for free, and all that's required is for you to actually just create a piece of content or repost their LinkedIn post or their Twitter post. In my case, I'm creating a video on my YouTube channel, and once you do that, you can basically just remember to tag them on Instagram, TikTok and YouTube, and then you can send a link to your submission here. So yeah, definitely check this out. I think this is a great tool. I like the fact that instead of just pricing people, they're essentially asking them to create user generated content about their platform. Very interesting marketing strategy. I haven't actually seen this much, if at all, but yeah, in any case, this is a great tool and definitely check it out. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.